Okay, this is question number 7. The figure 2 shows a sketch of a triangle ABC, which is above. Given that A to B is 2i plus 3j plus k, and B to C is I minus 9j plus 3k, show that angle BAC is 105.9 degrees to 1 decimal place, which is that angle, and that angle I shall call angle theta for just myself, as I know. So using that triangle, then, we need to find these lengths, don't we? So A to B is 2i plus 3j plus k. So let's find AC first of all. So A to C. Well, what is A to C? That's AB plus BC. So there's A to B and B to C. We add them up. So I get 2i plus I. So I get 3i. Then 3j plus minus 9j will get me minus 6j. Make sure you underline all your vectors. And 3k plus k will get me 4k. Okay. So that is A to C. It would be good to find the length of all of these. So the modulus, or the length of AB, will be the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 1 squared. Which is root 14. Sounds about right, right? I'll have that, root 14. The modulus of B to C, well, that one will be 1 squared plus 9 squared plus 3 squared, which is root 91. Seems right. And then the modulus of AC, the one we just found, will be the square root of 3 squared plus 6 squared plus 4 squared. And that'll be root 61. There's 9 plus 36 plus 16. Okay. So, we've got all the pieces we need. We need to just put them all together. Now I've got the lengths. So, if I move on to the next page, I'll write down the length onto my little nice diagram. So we've got root 61, which was that length there. A to B was root 14, and the other one was root 91. We need to find that angle there. We've got 3 sides. We need to find an angle. Cosine rule, but it's pretty explicit. Find an angle. There is a particular rule. So a cosine of the angle, a cosine of A, that's little a, little c, little b, is b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. Don't have to remember that. I just remember it from years and years of work. So we get b squared, so that'll be root 61 squared, so that'll be 61, plus 14 minus 91, all over 2 times root 61 times by root 14. Get my calculator. Casio class was FX991EX, of course. Make sure you're in degrees as well. Make sure you're in the right one. So we get 61 plus 14 minus 91 all over 2 times the square root of b times c, which is 61 multiplied by root 14, and you get the minus 0.27375, and it keeps going on and on. 543643. Now we need to do the inverse cos, so arc cosine of the minus 0.273 will give me, if I do cause of my answer, I get 105.8877962. We want to show that it's 105.9. Well, funnily enough, if you do round that to 1 dp, you get 105. Well, I've got higher than the high 5 rule, so you have to round up, and I get the 105.9 degrees as required. And we stick a nice happy face because we got the right answer. Okay, that's how we can get all the marks here for question number 7.